Gaya ng sinabi ng ating first witness na yung kanyang nakitang encashment, no, in the amount of 125 million is unusual, no, sa loob ng kanyang 3 dekadang karir o karera sa loob ng Land Bank. Unusual ito because normally ang mga encashment sa kanila ay hindi naman umaabot ng ganito kalaki, no. Isa yan na dapat ma-emphasize natin. Pangalawa, unusual din, no, na nagkatugma, no, yung testimonya ni Ramil Madriaga at saka nitong ating first witness, who is the bank manager, no. Tama, 4 na bag ni pinaglagyan ng cash, 3 30 million at isang 35 million. At ito ay nakumpirma, no, sa testimonya ngayon ng ating bank manager na gaya nga ng nabanggit ninyo, nung April pa, sinabi na ito ni Ramil Madriaga. So again, no, there's a striking coincidence, perhaps, we may call it, na merong ganitong klaseng information na naibahagi ang ating bank manager sa ngayon at ang naibahagi din ni Ramil Madriaga nung panahon ng April nung siya'y humarap sa Kongreso.
Possible po ba na yung bags na tinutukoy ni Madriaga at ni Violeta Constantino are the same bags? Kay Kong is...
Yeah, I believe so. It's one and the same. Sa tingin ko, kasi hindi naman pwedeng naglipatan ng bag. No? From the bank, it was placed in a bag. Apparently, it was brought out of the bank. It was given to somebody else, no? And that somebody else could have been maybe Mr. Madriaga. Dahil base sa kanyang affidavit, yung kanyang sinumpaang salaysay, siya ang nag-distribute, no? Nung mga perang supposedly ay intelligence and confidential funds.
Sir, concerned ba na parang may slight discrepancy lang sa description nila ng bag? Kasi yung kay Madriaga, duffel bag yung pagkaka-describe niya, samantalang kay Violeta Constantino, gym bag. Tapos parang sinabi niya na hindi duffel bag. Although, it seems naman na long bag yung tinutukoy nila.
Well, whatever bag that is, basta as long as it can fit in that amount of money, it's not an ordinary small bag, ibig sabihin. So, ibig sabihin, inilagay yan sa isang bag na maaaring kumasya yung sinasabing halaga, no? Merong bag naman o gym bag na maliit, meron din naman gym bag na malaki. Meron din namang duffel bag na malaki at meron din namang sobrang laki. So, I guess, the idea of the money being placed in a bag and given to somebody else for distribution, I think is what is material in this particular issue.